Hey guys, we are back on another video. Today, hold on. First, a new bed. That's really small. And don't judge. Because I don't really know how to make a bed. Yeah, it's not even that good. But also, go check out my other channel. B Gamer. I'm gonna come. First of all, I didn't really do anything on the channel just yet. I made like one vlog on it, and that was actually not even a gaming vlog. I made a gaming vlog on this one though. So, what am I? Let's see something real quick. I'll show you guys something and then you can see something. Not even a stand. Just a chair. It's bouncing. Here, get the ball. Go, where's my glue? Ball globe. Maybe it was there. Oh, we did it. It's right there. No, that's me. And also, guys, like and subscribe to my video. Yes, don't be a part of it. And guess what? My channel's so small. How much even a video? Because I totally forgot how to make a video. Guys, you want to go see the bird? That's my bird. He's really not really cool, but yeah, he's pretty cool if you can. He hates me. So. Alrighty, so we're in here. Let's bring the bird cage. So I'm just gonna sit you right here right now. Yeah, I'll get the bird. Alright. It's 2021, get out. You miss Happy New Year. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. Alright, well, here he is. He was better if you put him on something. Then we're like, so we gotta get out of him because he'll just go on the chips cage. So, face me. See, there he is, sitting around. Woo, woo, woo. Guess that's pretty much the end of the video. So bye guys, see you tomorrow. I guess next week. So anyway, bye.